Good morning, Florida, and welcome back to Rise and Pass Florida, your daily 1 minute or less real estate power up from the Off Main Studios at Cardinal Academy of Real Estate. I'm Danny Cushman, and today we're covering Unit 6 violations of license law, penalties, and procedures. This is exam territory and protects your license every day. Let's break down the key points fast. Okay, let's first review the legal terms used in real estate. These are core violations under Chapter 475 and related sections with grounds for discipline. Fraud, intentional deception for gain, misrepresentation, false statements, or omission of material fact, concealment, hiding important information, false promises, pretenses, dishonest, dealing by trick or scheme, culpable negligence, reckless disregard, a breach of trust, failing duties to your principal, moral turpitude, conduct against justice, honesty, and good morals. And of course, conversion, wrongful use of funds, escrow mishandling. And there's false and misleading advertising. This can catch us at any given time, but also filing false docs. Memorize these trigger administration penalties. Most common, exam gotchas. Now, we must also recognize the requirements for a judicial review or appeal. After FREC's final order, a licensee can appeal via the judicial review in the Florida District Court of Appeal. Some of the requirements: you must file a notice of appeal within 30 days of the final order. A petition must show the order was arbitrary, capricious, unsupported by substantial evidence, or violated law and procedure. It's not a new trial. Court reviews and record the records only, no new evidence. This is under the Administrative Procedures Act. Now, let's define a settlement stipulation. A settlement stipulation or settlement agreement is a voluntary written agreement between the licensee and the DBPR to resolve a complaint, a discipline, without a full hearing. It outlines agreed facts, violations, and penalties. Once approved by FREC, it's binding, like a final order. Now, we will need to recognize a type of administrative penalties. Number one, a reprimand letter. Number two, an administrative fine of up to $5,000. Then there's probation, suspension, revocation, bad, or a denial of license application or renewal. So, what is the maximum penalty for a first degree misdemeanor? You need to know this. Most real estate violations are second degree misdemeanors: false advertising, collecting commission from a non broker, up to 60 days in jail, plus a $500 fine. But a first degree misdemeanor, often rarer, you can get up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. Note, FREC handles administration. Criminal, go to court. Practicing without a license is a third degree felony, up to 5 years or $5,000. What are the actions that take place when the recovery fund claim resulting from an EDO? The Real Estate Recovery Fund reimburses victims or brokers in some cases for damages from licensee misconduct. Key for EDOs are: if a broker requests FREC's EDO to disperse disputed escrow, but a court later rules the EDO invalid, a broker can seek reimbursement from the fund for damages, attorney's fees, if they diligently defend and notified FREC. The victim process: they get a final civil judgment against the licensee. They file a claim with FREC. And within time limits, they also do not receive punitive damages, and there is a maximum limit. How much? $50,000. The fund disperses on FREC order. It protects the public. It's funded by fines and fees. All right, let's recap. Key terms: fraud, misrepresentation, concealment, judicial review, 30-day appeal to the district court. A stipulation: it's a voluntary settlement agreement. Admin penalties: reprimand, up to a $5,000 fine, probation, suspension, 10 years, or revocation. First degree misdemeanor, maximum of 1 year or $1,000 fine. The recovery fund: broker reimbursement if sued, post EDO. Victim's claim after judgment. Your homework: hit Unit 6 again in your 48th edition. Focus on violations list, penalty ranges, and the recovery fund rules. Quiz those terms and penalties all the time. Well, that's it. Another episode of Rising Past Florida. Join us tomorrow as we introduce you to the next unit from the 48th edition. And remember, each Friday at 7:30 a.m., I go live on Zoom to answer your questions. See the link below. Thank you all very much. And if this helped, please hit the like button and subscribe. Oh, and be sure to drop the comment RISE down in the comment sections. You can email me, danny.kushner, cardinalrealestateschool.com, and make sure you like us on Facebook. And more importantly, for more information and live online exam prep, you can visit us on the web at cardinalrealestateschool.com. Until tomorrow, rise strong, Florida. Stay compliant and pass that exam.